Die naastring, mense, die umbilical cord.
Yeah. If you look at that, you can definitely see 3 blood vessels within this umbilical cord. You have, and this is what you have to know, we have there are 2 veins and 1 artery within the umbilical cord. And quite differently from adults and from us, the veins are the 2, because there are 2 veins. Why 2 veins? Because from the mother through the placenta, you must remember the umbilical cord is attached to the placenta. And the 2 veins, they carry the very important oxygen and nutrients from the blood from the mother to the blood of the baby or the embryo. Just remember, the blood of the mother and the blood of the baby, they never mix. Why not? Because this fetus might have another blood group than that of the mother. And and the artery, of course, that again takes away all the waste products and a carbon dioxide from the fetus to the blood of the mother, and it diffuses there.
Ja,
Very important too. You should know the functions of the amnion and the amniotic fluid, of course, and it acts as a shock absorber if a mother bumps, and you know, it's a natural thing to bump against something. That is the fluid that protects the baby. And of course, if there was no fluid in there, that embryo would not be able to move. It actually practices swallowing. And believe it or not, they excrete in the fluid. And everything within this amniotic fluid, it will go from there through the placenta to the blood of the mother. And the placenta is also a very important structure, Lorraine.
Is dit nie 'n pragtige foto nie? Kyk, daar kan hulle duidelik die placenta,
Ja.
die naastring en dan die amnionvlies sien. Dis die amnionvlies wat dan nou hierdie amnionvloeistof afskei, né? Here you've got the placenta. A picture of the placenta, and I think you should realize that, and this is why I put in this picture, remember with that photo there, you've actually seen the placenta, and this is a drawing to show you this is embryonic or fetal at a later stage, rather fetal blood vessels, and this is mother blood. Can you see that there's definitely no direct contact, and everything happens through diffusion, and in the case of water, obviously then osmosis. The placenta, remember the corpus luteum, and that we will do on Monday, secretes progesterone. But the corpus luteum can't do that for the whole 9 months. So the placenta is an endocrine gland. It will secrete estrogen and progesterone. It's a microfilter to prevent certain harmful substances from entering the baby's blood. It's contact between the blood of the mother and the baby via a membrane.
Just to go back to the microfilter, remember, it protects the baby from all of these substances that might harm the fetus, the developing fetus. But the HIV virus can filtrate the placenta and go to the baby.
Yes, so can alcohol, so can nicotine, other drugs. So take care.